Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to borrow money from Varo Bank. First, open the Varo Bank app on your phone and log in using your PIN, password or fingerprint. Once you're at the home screen, look for the option that called Varo Advance or Borrow. Tap on it to open up browsing section. Next, tap the app will show you the amount you are eligible to borrow. This amount depends on your account activities such as your deposit and balance history. If you are eligible, tap Get Advance or Borrow Now. After that, choose the amount of money you want to borrow. Then app will show you the fee and the repayment date. After reviewing the details carefully, make sure you understand how much you are borrowing, the fee and when the money will be taken back from your account. If everything looks good, tap confirm. You may be asked to enter your PIN or use your fingerprint to approve the transaction. Once you confirm, the money will be deposited in your Varo account. This usually happens within a minute. Varo will automatically repay the advance from your account on the scheduled date, usually when your next deposit arrives. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.